Bridging schematics to PCB layout. In our previous video, we explored schematic design, the blueprint of electronic circuits. But how do these schematics translate into a physical PCB? The answer lies in something called the footprint. A PCB footprint is a precise template that defines where each electronic component will sit on the board, ensuring accurate placement and connectivity. Key elements of a footprint. Each footprint consists of several key elements: pads, silkscreen, solder mask, courtyard, and sometimes even a 3D model. Different types of footprints. Footprints vary depending on the type of component: through hole, surface mount, or custom designed. Creating a footprint, the process. Footprints are carefully designed using datasheets, CAD tools, and precise industry standards to ensure accuracy. Data sheets provide critical details like dimensions, pin configurations, and tolerances. Using CAD software, footprints are drawn step by step, placing pads, defining silkscreen outlines, applying solder mask openings, and ensuring proper courtyard spacing. Once created, the footprint is verified to ensure accuracy before it is used in PCB design. Avoiding common footprint mistakes. Precision is crucial. Errors like incorrect pad sizes or misaligned footprints can lead to manufacturing issues. To avoid such problems, always verify dimensions against the datasheet before finalizing a footprint. The importance of footprints. Accurate footprints are the foundation of a well-designed PCB, ensuring precise placement, smooth assembly, and reliable performance. Mastering PCB footprints. By mastering footprint creation, you ensure your PCB designs are ready for seamless manufacturing and top-notch performance. Next video. Coming up next, we bring the PCB to life. Join us as we explore the fundamentals of PCB design. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more topics in our Back to Basics series.